Workplace tragedy in northwest Oklahoma City.
Police say a worker was killed after being run over by a machine at a construction site. And that is where we find KOCO's Kylie Thomas live with us right now. Kylie, what are you learning?
Yeah, a heartbreaking scene this morning. Now, Oklahoma City police say a worker was killed after being run over by a skid steer this morning. Authorities say it happened in this new neighborhood under construction near Northwest 196th Street and North May Avenue. Police responded just before noon after a 911 call came in. When detectives arrived, they quickly determined it was a horrible accident, nothing criminal. Sky 5 flew over that scene. Now, Oklahoma City police tell me they are not investigating this death because it was an industrial accident. The medical examiner's office will determine an official cause of death. Reporting live, Kylie Thomas, KOCO 5 News.